Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image and confirming the display. Pick a high-resolution JPG or PNG at or above the monitor's native resolution so it won't blur. Once done, crop or scale the image to match the screen aspect ratio, 16:9 for most modern monitors, and save a clearly named copy to a known folder. Make sure the file path is easy to reach. This speeds the next steps and avoids accidental use of the wrong file. You now apply the wallpaper through System Settings. Open Personalization or Display Settings and choose Background or Wallpaper, then browse to the folder where you saved the image. Select the image and pick a display mode, Fill for full coverage, Fit to preserve whole image, or Center for exact placement. If you use multiple monitors, assign the image to the primary or a specific screen. Adjust modes and reselect if edges crop or black bars appear, making small changes until it looks right. Finish by fine-tuning and troubleshooting common issues. If the wallpaper looks blurry, make sure the monitor resolution and system scaling match the image. Change resolution or resave the image at the correct pixel dimensions. Once done, add padding in an editor to preserve composition if cropping is unacceptable. If the operating system refuses to set the wallpaper, check file permissions and restart the personalization service or settings app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.